Looking for a replacement door mirror that fits your vehicle perfectly without breaking the bank? Imagine getting the exact same mirror assembly designed specifically for your car's year, make, and model, without the dealership price tag. This replacement door mirror promises just that: a flawless fit, original style function, and a cost-effective solution that won't compromise on quality. I recently needed a new driver's side mirror after a minor accident damaged mine. I chose this replacement part because it's engineered to match the original mirror glass, housing, bracket, and technology that came with my 2008 Eclipse GS. The installation was straightforward, even for someone without special tools. It took a bit of patience to navigate the door panel, but once connected, the mirror worked perfectly, adjusting smoothly and responding right away. Knowing it's designed to fit my exact vehicle model gave me confidence that I wasn't settling for a generic part. What you get here is a complete assembly that mirrors the original part's quality and performance, but at a fraction of the cost. Instead of paying dealership prices, you can rely on this replacement to deliver the same reliable function and appearance. Plus, the easy installation means you don't need professional help or expensive tools. To make sure this mirror fits your vehicle, just enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool provided. If that's you, someone who wants a dependable, affordable mirror replacement that looks and works just like the original, this part is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to restore your car's appearance and safety without overspending.